નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello dear student, how are you all? Standard 2nd, subject English grammar. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 12, doing words. Do you want to learn about doing words? Yes. Okay, so now let's look the definition of doing words. Okay, so here you can see I have prepared a board. You have to read with me. Okay, so first, what is doing word? Do you want to know? A word that talks about an action is called a doing word. अभी आप बोलोगे मैडम एक्शन? Yes, you know these all things, right? तो हम पहले जब छोटे थे तब एक्शन वर्ड्स, it means एक्शन करते हैं. अभी मैंने क्या किया? I was writing. It means that is the action. Now I am speaking. This is also action. Now you are watching the video. This is also action. Then yes, action words you know, and then you remember that we were playing the game action. Yes, this one. हाँ, तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Action words भी कहते हैं. A word that talks about an action is called doing words. यानी कि कोई भी क्रिया चल रही है उसे हम doing word कहते हैं, right? यानी कि कोई भी action करना. Suppose I have many examples also. You can see here. Action word, it means doing words or action words, दोनों ही same है, right? In the grammar language, we call verb. क्या कहते हैं? Verbs, right? Now we have to learn about verbs. What are verbs? Do you want to learn? Yes. Okay. So verbs are action that we do. It means जो हम करते हैं उसे हम verb कहते हैं. जैसे कि eat, sleep, drink, jump. Right? You can see here eat, drink, read, write, run, jump, sleep, fight, bake, cook, dance, laugh. These all things we do. हम करते हैं. इसीलिए तो हम इसे action words कहते हैं. Action words, it means doing words, or action words or doing words, it means verbs. Yes. वर्ब्स इसे तो हम कहते हैं. वैसे तो यूजुअली लाइफ में हम यूज तो करते ही हैं ये वर्ड्स, बट हमें पता नहीं होता है कि इसे हम वर्ब्स कहते हैं, राइट? नाउ वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द वर्ब्स दैट वर्ड्स वी आर यूजिंग इन सेंटेंसेस, राइट? ओके, एन एक्शन वर्ड टेल अस अबाउट व्हाट समवन और समथिंग डज. इट मींस कोई क्या कर रहा है ये आपको एक्शन वर्ड से पता चलता है. समवन और समथिंग, it means you can say for animals also, and you can use for person also, right? Yes. So something and someone, what they does, we can know about the action word. Suppose there is a one picture and one boy is jumping. So when you are looking the picture, you can know that boy is jumping. So jump is the verb. Yes. Okay. Action words are called verbs. Action words are called verbs. It means doing words. Doing word भी कह सकते हैं और action word भी कह सकते हैं, right? They both are same. Okay. So after explanation of doing word, it means action word, or you can say verbs also, right? So we have to start our exercise. Are you ready? Okay. So now dear students, please open your grammar page. Number is 37. Are you ready? So on 37 you can see there is an explanation of doing word. On 38 we will start our exercise 8. Okay, so now let's start it. So now students, let's start exercise 8. First of all we have to read heading. Okay, now look at these pictures and write the correct doing word below it. Choose the words from the box given. So here you can see there is a one green box. In this green box you can see there are many words. It means you can say there are doing words, right? Okay, fine. So now let's continue with reading, right? Jump, draw, swim, dance, comb, switch, and climb, cook, eat, and paint. There are many doing words. Just you have to identify all the pictures and then you have to write the correct doing word on the correct place, right? Okay, fine. So now without wasting time, let's start. First of all, you have to identify all the pictures and then write with me. Okay. So number 1. Now look at the number 1 picture. Can you see jump? Yes. तो jump जो है वो क्या है? That is the action. What the boy is doing. It means that is the verb. तो आप verb भी कह सकते हैं. Even you can say that is a doing verb, right? Jump is the first answer. Second one. Next. Okay. Okay. यहाँ से line पे जाते जाते हैं, right? 1, 2 and 3. You can write with me. Confusion होगा because यहाँ पे number नहीं है ना. Number 2. Number 2, there is a one girl and one wall is there, a big wall, and I think she is climbing. Yes, climbing. It means you can say the girl is climbing the wall. It means climb is the correct doing word to this picture, right? So right here, climb, CLIMB, climb. Number 3. Look at the picture. There are 2 boys you can see in the water, and I think what are they doing? Can you see the action? Yes, swimming. Yes, swim. It means they are swimming. So the correct doing word is swim. So the most funny thing is that when I am doing action, you can look at the word. Yes. Next, 4th one. Okay. Identify the picture and tell me what is the boy doing. Can you see the picture? Yes, the boy is painting something, right? He or she have a brush and color plate, and they are doing painting. So we can write here paint. P-A-I-N-T, paint. Number 5. Number 5 pictures tell us that the girl is eating something. It means eat is the doing word, because what is she doing? You can know a word that talks about an action is called the doing word. It means the eat is telling that what the person is doing, right? Next, number 6. Number 6 pictures show that one girl is having a pencil in her hand and she is drawing something. It means draw. D-R-A-W. Draw is the correct answer for this picture. Okay. Next page number is 39. There you can see there are 4 pictures. First picture says us that number 7. One boy is cooking something. It means cook is the correct answer. Number 8. Stitching. The boy is stitching something. S-T-I-T. Girl is combing her hair. C-O-M-B. Comb. And number 10 is the boy is dancing. So dance is the correct answer. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. So here you can see we had completed our exercise 8. So you can complete all the answers in it, right? So here did you notice that these all words are saying something about the person or someone or something are doing, what they does, right? जैसे कि jump, climb, swim, paint, eat, draw, cook, stitch, comb and dance. These all words are action words, or we can say verbs. Okay. Now dear students, let's start our exercise B. Are you ready? Please complete these answers in your exercise. Now let's start exercise B. Read the following paragraph and circle the doing words. It means यहाँ पे जो आपको पैराग्राफ दिया गया है ये आपको रीड करना है, and then after you are reading the sentences you can identify the all doing words in the each and every sentence, right? Okay, so fine, we will start reading. So first is Seema and Rohit walk to school. Seema and Rohit walk to school. Now in this sentence you can see which is the doing word, यानी कि ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड है जिसके कारण आपको पता चल रहा है कि सीमा एंड रोहित क्या कर रहे हैं. वॉक. यस, वॉक इज द करेक्ट आंसर. W-A-L-K, walk. It means walk shows us that what they are doing. Next sentence, on the way they see a little kitten. On the way, it means they are going to school, right? At that time, what they see? Kitten. See. It means dekhna. See is the next doing word in this sentence. It chases a ball. Chases a ball. यानी कि वो chases कर रही थी. It means you can know CHASES. Chases a ball. Suddenly the ball rolls under a car. It means ball. Ball की क्रिया आपको कैसे पता चलती है कि क्या हुआ? Roll. Yes. ROLLS. Rolls under a car. The kitten sits near the car. The kitten sits near the car. In this sentence you can say sits is the doing word. Sit यानी कि बैठना, right? Okay. Sits, SITS, sits near the car. Rohit crawls under the car to pull out the ball. It means Rohit क्या कर रहा है? Now you can see in this word you can see what is Rohit doing. So you can say that Rohit says crawl under the car. यानी कि वो हाथ और पैर की हेल्प लेके वो ऐसे बेबी की तरह नहीं चलते. यस, ऐसे क्रॉलिंग करते हुए वो कार के नीचे जाता है. इट मीन्स क्रॉल. CRAWLS crawls under the car to pull out the ball. Pull यानी कि खींचना, right? It means आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो क्या कर रहा है बॉल से? He is pulling something, right? He throws it towards the kitten. It means throw यानी कि फेंकना. This is the action. These all are action. THROWS throws it towards the kitten. Seema claps her hand. Claps तो हम करते हैं. It means this is also action. So right here CLAPS claps her hands. The kitten plays with the ball happily. It means what is the kitten doing? Yes, plays. Plays is the doing word. It means it is action. PLAYS, plays. Okay, so here you can see we had found many words. Walk, see, chases, rolls, sits, crawls, pull, throws, claps and plays. These all words are doing word which we had found in this paragraph. So you have to circle these all words in this paragraph. Okay. So after completing exercise B, exercise C you have to do at your homework because we have to practice in doing words, right? It means verbs. So please complete all the exercise in your book. Enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy it very much. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you for joining us.